Getting to know yourself is the best thing that you can do. That is why they say, know thyself. Discover who you are and to your own person be true. For trying to know who you are by simply looking inside is based on the fundamental presupposition that you and I in center of the universe lies. But who am I? What am I doing here? I am a millennial, a teenager born into a world of advanced technology, a world of things once fantastic. Yet, the expectations as a teenager are impossible, unattainable, and unimaginable. Get good grades, make new friends, staying healthy, and don't forget breakfast. Focus on your time, now while you have the time. Well, you don't have the important things in life to worry about. But people confuse the words teenager and oblivious. I may be a teenager, but I notice when my parents discuss bills. I may be a teenager, but I worry about important things. I worry about money, my family, friends. I worry about my grades, my health. I worry about my future. Young does not mean carefree. When I go to school, I spend hours in learning. When I come home, and I spend hours in doing my homework. When I climb into bed and don't have enough time to sleep. People forget that teenagers have 24 hours in a day just like adults do. Just because I have access to a world of information that others never had, doesn't mean my life is easy. I am a millennial. I am a teenager. And surviving as a teenager is hard. The misconceived judgment that people hold based only on my age. The idea that my life is in some way easier because I live in an era of technology. Being ridiculed, completely fooled, and don't want to be ruled. But I'm trying to make something of myself. I am a millennial, but still I'm a human. And whether I am young or old, I still carry the burden of life. I am a millennial, but I am more than my age. I am a person just like you.